Most people get this wrong. They think you can change your Reddit username anytime, but here's the reality. Reddit usernames are permanent for regular accounts. You can't change them once created, but don't worry, there are workarounds. If you're okay with starting fresh, the simplest way is to create a new Reddit account with your desired username. This is straightforward, but you'll lose your post history and karma on the old account. Another option is using a display name. Unlike usernames, Reddit display names can be edited anytime. Go to your profile, click Edit Profile, and change the display name. While this doesn't change the username, it will appear across Reddit and can help rebrand your identity. Pro tip for communities, moderators, and users usually see your display name first, so you can effectively present yourself under a new identity without losing your account. In conclusion, while you can't truly change your Reddit username, using a display name or starting a new account gives you flexibility. Most people get frustrated here, but knowing this trick makes the process smooth. Subscribe for more practical tips and tricks for Reddit and social media management.